In a village, there lived a man named David. He had some fields. They yielded good harvests. In the family, he had a wife only. There was a pond near his fields. During one day of summer, he went into the pond to cool himself. There he saw a golden crab. He liked it and picked it in his hand. The crab clawed at the man's nose, playfully tickling it in the process. After cooling down, he came out and made a small shady shelter on the bank for the crab to rest in. In the evening, when he started to go home, he saw the crab stretching its claws, as if telling him to take it along. He carried the crab home and said to his wife,
"It is my friend."
The wife laughed. Ever heard of a friendship between a crab and a man?
Why not? All creatures can become friends with one another. The only thing needed is trust and honesty.
Now, the man would take the crab home in the evenings and bring it to the pond in the mornings. There was a crow's nest on a tree on his way. The hen crow wished to eat the big eyes of the man. The crow tried to dissuade her but failed. The hen crow was in the family way, so the crow didn't want to disappoint her. The crow decided to befriend a snake. It picked up a dead rat from a dump and dropped it near the snake pit. The cobra came out and swallowed it. The crow fed the cobra every day. They become friends. One day the crow said,
"Friend, do me a favor. You must bite the man. My wife wants to eat his eyes. I can't disappoint her."
The next day, when the man was coming to his fields, the cobra bit him. The man fell down. A white foam trickled out from his mouth. The crab had seen it all. As soon as the crow flew down to gorge the man's eyes out, the crab sprang into action. It clamped its claws on the crow's and snake's necks. It said,
"You have bitten my friend. Suck the poison out, or I will strangle you both to death."
It brought down the clamp hold on the snake towards its tail to enable it to do the sucking. When the poison got sucked out of the man, he regained consciousness. The crab killed both the evil creatures. Moral: evils meet evil ends.